Hi guys, I'm Dr. Santosh and it gives me great pleasure to connect with you in this time of lockdown so that I can give you some advice about how to manage your joint pain, your body pain by doing a few simple things which will help you during this lockdown. 1. Get moving. Do not get used to staying in one place. At every given possibility, get up, exercise those joints, move your shoulders, bend, stretch. Make sure that you are moving so that blood circulates and automatically your pain doesn't set in and stay. Point number 2, deep breathing exercises and meditation. Whenever you breathe in a deep manner, oxygenation increases. When oxygenation increases, when oxygen supply to all your cells increase, automatically the cells which cause pain come down and this reduces your pain. 3. Stop drinking late in the night. If you can, avoid alcohol altogether and hydrate yourself with a lot of water anytime you are drinking. Avoiding late night drinking is very good. 4. Avoid cigarettes. Reduce it if you are unable to avoid. Smoking causes peripheral vasoconstriction, where the blood vessels which supply the ends of your body become smaller and find it hard to supply blood to those regions. When circulation reduces, blood flow reduces, automatically your sensation to pain increases. So smoking is a strict no-no if you have chronic pain. 5. Eat healthy. A well-balanced diet with all vitamins and minerals is very good. Have a good protein-filled diet with foods which do not increase your blood glucose suddenly. These are called foods with a low glycemic index. 6. Take notes in a journal. Have a pain journal and use the visual analog scale shown here in order to grade your pain. Why is it important? It is important because you can identify which are the days when your pain was high and you can see what are the activities which triggered it, foods you ate which triggered it, and you can avoid it. 7. Make time for yourself to do things you like on your own. This increases your happy hormones or serotonins. They help in reducing the sensation of pain. 8. Hobbies. Make hobbies. Connect with people who believe in the same thing as you. Share your success or anything which happens with friends. Listen together to music which you like as a group. Bond with people. Distract yourself away from the pain with positive experiences. This really helps in overall reduction of physical and emotional pain. 9. Participate with your physician in your treatment. As I said earlier, take down notes. Note down what aggravates your pain. Find out which are the medications which were prescribed which really help you. When you take active role in your treatment, it gives a positive reinforcement to your body that something active is being done, and this really helps us reduce the pain also. Finally, paracetamol if you have too much pain instead of all this, and make sure you talk to your doctor about vitamin D as it plays a very important role in the regeneration of all structures which are related to movement. Apart from this, finally, be around people who you love and you care, because when you're loved and cared for, you're happy. When you're happy, the hormone endorphin is released, and endorphins are nature's, our body's own painkillers. Make use of these endorphins and all the other 10 points which I told you to live a life with reduced pain during this lockdown. I'm Dr. Santosh. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and a sports medicine specialist. I hope this helped you. Thank you very much.